Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we've got a track day video. We've set up a pretty difficult track here. We've used 2 power booster kits from the Track Builder series, and we've also used a loop from the Super 6-in-1 track builder. So you can check out the opening and review of all those track sets. But yeah, we've set up this pretty difficult track. We've selected 15 cars to test out. Some track stars, some just regular cars. But anyway, let's get straight into them. You can see we've got Aerodynamic there. Roadster, one of my favorite cars. We've got High Tech Missile. 16 Angels. We've got the Veloster there. We've got a pretty cool Ford Fiesta. Oh, what's this one? We've got Solid Muscle. Then we've got the Fig Rig. We've got a Morris Minor. We've got that BMW M4 from the Factory Fresh series. We've got that MR11. Here we go. This one, Track Ripper. I was really looking forward to seeing that one go, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, and in the front there, we've got the Fast Feline. We've got a Corvette C7. And we can't forget a really popular track star car, Clear Speeder. Alright, so we're going to race them on the track, see who doesn't fall off, who sticks on, who can get the most laps. Let's watch them go. right, surprising results there. We've got that Ford Fiesta, we've got Solid Muscle, the Morris Minor, Aerodynamic, Roadster, and the Veloster, all pretty poor performers. Next up, these ones went around a few times, but weren't that good. The M4, the Fig Rig, Clear Speeder, the Corvette there, Track Ripper, and 16 Angels, all performed okay, but still flew off the track pretty quickly. So the best three cars was definitely Fast Feline, what's that, High-Tech Missile, and MR11. So 3 track stars. Oh no, Fast Feline isn't a track star, but the other two that actually won and stayed on the longest, they're both track stars. Actually, pretty disappointing result. I thought a few more of the track stars would stay on the track, but I guess it was really difficult with all those twisty loop turns. Alright everyone, big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. What did you think of this track? Was it a little bit too difficult for these cars? Most importantly though, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.